Hi, my name's Ron Stauffer. I'm a web designer, developer, and digital marketer. For a majority of my career, I've worked from home, which means for the past 14 or 15 years, every place I've lived in has had a dedicated home office. This includes multiple apartments, a few rental homes, and a house that I owned myself. Because of this, I've seen what it takes to make a successful, dedicated home office in places that I've owned, places that I've rented, places that were small, and places that were large. Currently, I work from home like everybody else under the coronavirus lockdown. I do it in my home office with my wife and my 5 kids at home in the same house with me all day, every day. In addition to working in a couple different environments, I've also worked in a couple different employment arrangements. First, I've worked as an employee for a larger company with coworkers. When you're working from home for an employer, the situation can be a little bit tricky and there can be some politics involved, especially if you are the one working remotely and everybody else, or a majority of the other employees, work at an office or a central office building of some sort. I've worked as an in-house employee in an office environment where everybody has to show up at the same time every day, and there's all-hand meetings with all the staff where the bosses can check in with everybody and visually make sure that everybody's accounted for. Finally, I've worked as a self-employed entrepreneur, which is what I do now. Working for myself means I'm not accountable to anyone except my clients. I have to set my own schedule, which includes things like what time to start in the morning, what time to end in the evening, whether I work on weekends or not, what holidays to observe, when to take vacation and for how long. It also means that I'm working alone, so I have to do everything myself, but stay in good communication with my clients and stay on top of all my projects. I think this eclectic mix I have of experience working for someone else and working for myself, as well as the different scenarios of working in a home office alone, working in an office with coworkers and team members, gives me the experience I need to really see this whole topic from a bigger perspective of what works, what doesn't work, and I have a lot of things that I think you'll find helpful if you're stuck at home and you want to be an efficient and effective worker and still come across as professional, whether that's to your employers or to your clients. Hopefully, in this course, I'll be able to share the good, the bad, and the ugly about working from home, and I'll equip you with confidence and tools to get the job done.